Hi, Chris.
Whoa, Robert, where'd you get his fireworks?
Woo! Yeah, Walmart!
Oh, shit.
This is how we rock and roll, man.
Oh, shit! No, he's not right.
Wicked wind, where have you been? I was born in the storm, and I missed you so.
Throw it here. Yeah, but yeah, don't throw it yet. Light up, let it smoke for a little bit. You know, it won't explode on you. Yeah, no, throw it!
Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh, holy crap!
Shit, I got on my shirt! Wow.
Nice.
And nobody got hurt!
Go!
Robert, run. Ah, it's so pretty.
Christmas!
In July.
Christmas.
Did you get the other one? Oh, all right.
Robert, if the lights go out, catch it and
Oh.
toss it back. Oh, wow.
Nice, Robbie. Let's go.
That'd be fun if it's not even over.
Good work, teamwork.
Anything to say, Fez? Anything to say?
Wait,
Anything to say? Ooh.
Walmart is good this year.
I know.
Put me to sleep first.
Yeah, exactly. Then it wakes me up. Hey, you got a couple extra same ones, right?
Anytime now. So, a year later.
Still recording. Long one, too. Look like the last one. It goes up, it goes down.
You know, it's like going to the bathroom, like Austin Power. It stops and it goes and stops and it goes. So, how's it going, guys?
Very nice.
Good, huh?
Live.
Best.
Joey Drive.
No, it's not making heat. I swear, if it's...
Want some lights? Lights.
Playing a light. Chris is live. John is live.
Ready? You know what? I didn't want to take the torch away from you from now on. Somebody lights it up.
Why would you still put both of them?
Not bad. Okay, see you later.
That's good. Play with it, Go.
Robert, you're throwing it like an under. Throw it over. Oh shit.
Hey, what if he does? Hey, what if he goes like, oh.
Over back it up, right? Say it, hot potato.
Wow. That's not how fireworks.
Yeah, play reality this one.
But stretch the fuse though.
Dobra, stretching.
We got two?
Is it the same one? Is that the one that exploded in our faces, right?
No, the explosion was the balls.
The
Hey, there's no fuse.
What should do with the fuse?
There's no fuse. There was no fuse.
You broke it.
I didn't break nothing. $9 one white garbage.
No, don't worry. There's a fuse in there.
Where?
Wait.
You see it?
Hold on to this.
Is there a fuse in there?
There. Put a light.
Boom!
Is it on the ground? Did it fell? Is it on it?
I don't see.
It's green. You won't find now.
I'm still recording.
It's there.
There, it's in the back.
Hiding. Yeah.
Just take it out.
We'll rip this thing?
Well, just a little bit rip it. Don't rip it hard.
Yeah.
Where is it?
God, it's just too violent.
Maybe that's why you're doing it wrong. I think you're supposed to take
see?
the top one off.
It's all the way down here.
Well, that's why it exploded in our faces.
This was not it. Not this one exploded in your face.
That's the balls one.
That was the balls. Balls exploded in our face.
Oh my god, that's so
Yeah, first
This was
one.
great. This is
That was
great
awesome.
movie.
That was awesome.
Wait, I got.
Awesome was scary. Oh my god, bro. Pull it out.
Okay, so Walmart, make your stuff a little bit better.
Okay, good. Just light up.
Yeah, how about light?
How? Which way is it gonna go?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
long.
where's the knife? Let's cut it somewhere.
But I don't know where this
How
is.
about we just both light it out and we'll see what happens?
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
No.
Why?
Okay, there's no option. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna throw garbage.
Go
Go,
smash.
smash. Group one.
Do one.
Run.
Not this one. I'm
This
doing
one.
Oh, thank you, Walmart.
I'm not throwing away.
Thank you.
$10?
Okay,
Okay, stop there. What?
Go really in the middle. Right in the middle of the street. John, come here. I don't know where the...
Which way is it gonna go?
I don't know.
Surprise. Surprise.
If it will go.
Epic fail.
I think that's it.
Ah, let nobody care about it.
Here we go.
So it's the the long one again.
Come on, come on. Let's just fuse. Go.
You need a light?
Bobby, the ball. Yeah, we can do 3. Let's see.
No, that's a good one.
We can do 3, Bobby D. Go. Woo! All right, next ball.
Now go through the fire. Through the fire.
Nice one. Grab the ball.
I think that's the best one.
You need a light?
Hey, how much is it? 40.
Wait, I'm not.
Because there's a lot of what by one.
No? Oh.
Buy one, get 3.
Oh.
That's the first time we were like in the air, Bobby D. Above the trees. Last year we were like above the bushes.
You gotta move all those things? Oh, Robert! Where's Robert?
What?
You know there's one left, right? Look at this. You wanna pop that?
No, I'm good.
Ah! I like how people are moving their cars way too late. Fireworks are over.
You doing two?
No, I'll do one light up and then push it down.
Here, have this one from me then. Oh, fuck that for me.
I'm gonna light up. Are you
Oh,
gonna like
then
this
the ball?
one? Huh?
Oh, okay, sorry.
I'll put one here. And
Dobra,
then...
dobra, dobra, dobra.
I don't get it. Are they gonna move or what?
No, it's very moving, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll do like this.
Yeah! Okay, watch that stuff. Watch that down.
Go. Martha, it's not working.
Oh!
Black. That's two.
I know. Okay.
Next year we're gonna pitch in John for the Fez. The loud one. Okay. At least for the big finale, the big
Oh,
one.
jeez. That'd be nice. It's recording. Go ahead.
Watch out, boy. I don't believe it.
Whoa!
It worked?
Yeah, they were both. You see?
That was two of them?
Yeah.
Oh, we could do three.
Oh, there's lights, thank God.
You need to tie your balls?
Okay, hold the balls.
Robert's holding balls.
Balls on string.
It's ball time.
We'll try three this time.
You gonna put four?
So how you... No, not four. Why not? no, don't think I don't think we'll fit in that thing.
Oh, you gonna put it in the thing?
Yeah.
Why don't you leave it like that?
I
No,
wonder.
no.
Okay, fine.
Unless you want to explode everywhere, because...
Well, no, first, first, line them up there and then we'll tie them up.
Everybody has recording, put 4 balls this time, so... 4 balls. 4 balls. Uh-oh.
Look, I'm waiting to explode again.
No, that's not gonna fit in there.
Oh, stop it one by one. 1,
Get away.
3, and 4.
This is gonna explode, bro. I'm
Nice.
telling you right now.
Nice.
Yeah, it's like... Get back.
Hold on.
Hold it tight together.
Hey, you light, John!
I need to get ready.
Oh, dude.
I don't want to go to the hospital, you know.
It's
Where
open
you working?
24/7.
John, isn't that where you work?
You get a discount.
Yeah, but still.
We're all gonna die right now. We're all gonna die.
Let's move. Oh, I'm sorry.
Go across.
Yeah, okay, right?
Across right there. Across. Make sure it's all of them. You have a lot of landing. You have a lot of landing.
away.
Make sure it's all of them. You have a lot of landing.
Mom, you remember
You have a lot of landing. You can do this.
You serious, right? That's,
John!
oh.
There we go. Camera.
Oh, it's still wrong.
That's so good.
All right. Are you guys ready?
Wait for what?
5 balls.
No! No!
It's
Okay,
still
no, leave it.
smoking.
We'll do 3 more. We have 3 more left.
balls?
Yeah, car. Car.
Fire.
Time out.
Hey, why they went halfway?
Put them upside down, no?
No.
Oh.
Stop with this shit, man. Burn it. Makes me worried. This has been a church.
Yeah, at least you didn't need to go to church.
No, I'm just playing.
The other one.
I'm just messing with you.
Whose camera's better? Mine's better. My light is better.
John, just keep the light here then. You want to stay on top of it? Make it
You
light
have nothing to do with the light.
Alright.
And I'm still recording.
Let John stay here, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna stand right here. Hi guys.
It's really cool.
And we need some good close-up
Good, yeah,
footage.
footage.
Close-up.
I wish I had the GoPro.
Oh, I should have brought it.
How about if I just put my camera right there?
Oh,
Dobra.
ready?
Yeah,
Already?
Wait, hold up.
What? For what? You want to stay here?
No, wait, I didn't put my camera here, recording from here. You
Oh.
want to
How?
Oh, yeah, lean on the box.
Yeah. No, put it in a box.
No, lean on the box.
Lean on the box?
Yeah, so sideways view. There you go.
Yeah, your
hold
phone
on,
is
hold on.
Are you
horrible.
live?
Stand there too. Just lay there.
Ready?
Are you
It's
live?
okay. You're not gonna get hurt.
Need more?
Hold up. No. Perfect.
Yeah? Okay, leave it.
Ready?
Let's go.
Set.
Yep. John, stay.
Alright, go, go, go.
Well, which 2 you want to do? I'm doing you 2 now.
What, you want to do these?
Well, I'm tying you 2 right now.
Oh, yeah.
So one of them's gonna go.
You want to do 4?
Oh, no, I'm not doing 4, but I didn't know which one you're going to do it.
Okay, fine. I'm going to do you two.
Okay, this thing's still on fire.
Okay? I don't like this bitch.
The thing is still smoking.
The special effects. See? Look at the effects. Life in Niles. Sponsor by Walmart.
The smoke is coming towards the light.
Okay, you got it.
So I gotta
Yep,
light?
you're good. Light up.
I should.
Well, light up from side. Hey, Facebook me that. Not Facebook, but message me that. Bluetooth right now. That first explosion.
So we're going to try 2 and then we're going to do 3.
Okay, you're good. Yep, you're good. John, you want to stay here?
Sure, I'm gonna stand right over here. Right over here. Oh. Is that it?
Wait.
Oh shit, 3 of them.
It's right here.
Red, white, and green.
Right here.
Oh, red, blue.
It's not bad. I'm gonna stand right next to it.
It's not bad, right?
It shoots up.
You guys want to pay me $5? I stand right next to it.
$5?
Okay, fine. $1,000. Here, have you? Just in case I go to the hospital.
What if I would give up?
Yeah, Robert. Everyone's just going. It's like, this is so pathetic.
Dude, everybody went inside already.
We still have fans.
No fans. Oh.
I got it. Yeah, I got it.
On.
Just light up like right here, this first one, and you're good. Let's go. You got it. You got it.
Don't be scared. It's not going to land
Light
anywhere.
up all of them. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Bam. Oh, thank you.
Ah, shh.
Here, hold the keys. You don't need light anymore. Joey, John.
Yeah, I'll take this one.
Ooh, look at that fireworks. Better one.
Well, that's Plane's show, isn't it?
Oh.
Or,
Sorry. This is the Nile show.
Hell show.
This is like the 4th finale we have.
Where are you, Rob?
Yeah.
Thank